Just under 2 weeks to go before Catalonia goes to the polls, and the electoral race has been thrown into controversy by a series of campaign videos. On Tuesday, the opposition Popular Party withdrew a web game which allowed participants to shoot illegal immigrants and pro-independence Catalans. The PP's regional leader defended the idea, arguing that once it's been corrected, it will allow people to discuss Spain's social problems. She takes on the guise of Lara Croft in the game. One anti-racism group has already complained to the region's public prosecutor, while Catalonia's ruling socialists have also condemned the video. We think that the Popular Party is trying a xenophobic racist campaign, and if it works, they'll use it for the 2012 election. But it's not just the opposition. This video by the region's young socialists, which states voting is a pleasure, has also prompted anger.